Hey, CMS sixth graders, Mr. Newman here, brought to you from the Central Middle School Media Center. So I'm recording this video here to show you how we're going to prove that you can do this learning target. So it is, I can define chapter 3 vocabulary words. So yesterday you were working on those vocabulary charts and learning those words. We're going to see if you actually know them. So we're going to do a little activity called vocabulary body sculptures. Now, before I get into this and explain it, I want to have a good dad joke here. So the joke is, what is the best thing about elevator jokes? What is the best thing about elevator jokes? They work on so many levels. You get it? Elevators go up and down to different levels. So those jokes can work on maybe not the best one. So anyways, vocabulary body sculptures. So here's the deal. Basically, there's two steps. Number one, you're going to choose a vocabulary word. And I'm going to have all the vocabulary words written down on a note card. Each group, we have 7 groups, is going to get a different vocabulary word from our target sheet. Whatever vocab word you get, you are going to sculpt a representation of your vocabulary word. So you're going to use the definition, you can use ideas from that word, any facts that you can hold on to that you can visually represent. Now think about the emoji pictures you created within your vocab chart, okay? So on this next slide, you're going to see an example of this of a body sculpture. And let's see if you can figure out which word from chapter 3 this group is representing. So here we go. So we have the list of our vocab words up here. We have Dakota, human capital, Minnesota Makoche, Sioux, TP, generosity, kinship, and respect. So as you look at this picture, what vocabulary word does this body sculpture represent? All right, so as you're thinking about and looking at this picture, what aspects is this group representing? What facts can you point to in their positions of their body are they trying to portray? So which one is it? So you go through a list. Is it Dakota? Is it human capital? Minnesota Makoche? Sioux? Is it TP? Is it generosity? Is it kinship? Or is it respect? Oh. All right, here's the answer. If you said TP, you are correct. Now turn and talk to your group. Why is this group, or what are these group members doing to show that this represents TP? And that's basically the body sculpture. So here are your rules again. You're going to get 5 minutes. You'll choose a vocabulary word from the note cards to represent. And don't tell the other groups. You don't want them to know until they see your body sculpture. So then you're going to sculpt your representation. And then each group will come up to the front. And we'll say like 3, 2, 1, freeze. And that group will freeze into their body sculpture. And then the other groups can see if they can guess which words they are. Hope you have fun. This is a great activity to get up, move around. Just remember to, as we're doing this, we're showing our Trojan pride. I think this one more so is being responsible and dependable. When we're doing these activities, we're being dependable by not goofing around and not just making jokes of this. Another thing is we're being inclusive. We're inviting everyone in our group to be part of this body sculpture because that's kind of what this represents. All right, go for it.